Equivalent rational numbers. First, let us see the definition. Rational numbers which are equal to each other are called equivalent rational numbers. The value of both rational numbers must be equal, then they are called equivalent rational numbers. So what is the meaning of having equal value? For example, we have 1 by 2 and 3 by 6. These two rational numbers, let us compare. So 1 by 2. For example, if we have a chocolate bar, let us take two chocolate bars which are of same size. First chocolate bar I have divided into two equal parts. Second chocolate bar I have divided into six equal parts. So in the first chocolate bar I have eaten one part out of two. Second chocolate I have eaten three parts out of six parts. As you can compare the sizes, the amount of chocolate eaten by me in the first case and in the second case both are equal. So even though these two rational numbers are represented in different way but their value is equal, such type of rational numbers are called equivalent rational numbers. Method to write equivalent rational numbers: multiply or divide numerator and denominator by same non-zero number. Other than 0, any number we can multiply numerator and denominator by the same number, or we can divide the numerator or denominator by the same number. In the previous example where we have taken a chocolate bar, so from 1 by 2 we can create 3 by 6 by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 3. So this will give you 3 divided by 6. Or even from 3 by 6 we can get 1 by 2 by dividing both 3 and 6 by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is a method we will follow to write equivalent rational numbers. Either we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number, or we divide numerator and denominator by the same number. But we cannot multiply or divide by 0. Other than 0, any number is okay, but we cannot take 0. Let us try to write some equivalent rational numbers for this given number 1 by 2. Let us multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 2 divided by 4. Or even we can multiply by 3 also. So we will get 3 divided by 6. We can multiply 3 by 6, both numerator and denominator by 4. We will get 12 divided by 24, and so on. Like that we can create infinitely many equivalent rational numbers for this 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 5. Let us try to write some equivalent rational numbers for this. I want to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So we will be getting minus 9 divided by 15 is equivalent to minus 3 by 5. Even we can multiply by a negative number. I am multiplying by minus 2, both numerator and denominator. So minus into minus is plus, that is 3 to the 6 divided by minus 10. 6 divided by minus 10. If you want to write it in standard form, we can write minus 6 by 10. So this is a equivalent rational number. Minus 3 by 5. I want to multiply by 5 now. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 divided by 25. Like this we can create equivalent rational numbers. 12 divided by 16. Not only multiplication, we can divide by the common factor also. So they have a common factor 2. I divide by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 6 by 8 is equivalent to 12 by 16. Also we can divide by 4. 12 divided by 4 and 16 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 3 by 4 is equivalent to 12 by 16. Every rational number has infinitely many equivalent rational numbers. As we have taken the examples, so you have understood, any rational number we take, infinitely many equivalent rational numbers can be created. If you multiply by 2, you'll get 2 by 4. If you multiply by 3, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, and so on. Infinitely many equivalent rational numbers can be created. Cross multiplication method to check two rational numbers are equivalent or not. Whenever two rational numbers are given and we want to check whether they are equivalent or not, we use this cross multiplication method. Let us take some examples and understand. We want to check 3 by 9 and 5 by 15, they are equivalent or not. Then what we do is, we multiply 15 and 3 and we multiply 9 and 5, and then we write the answer. 15 threes are 45, 9 fives are 45. If they are equal, if the products are equal, we can decide that the rational numbers are equivalent. So 3 by 9 is equal to 5 by 15. 4 we multiply by minus 1 and 2 we multiply by minus 3. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. They are not equal. The products are not equal. So these rational numbers are not equivalent. So minus 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 3 by 4. Next question. 18 into minus 2, that is minus 36. 6 into minus 6 is minus 36. Because the products are equal, we can decide that the rational numbers are equivalent.